My dear friends, this is Madhavan Pillai. I am extremely excited to introduce our brand new, adventurous and very exciting project, Portrait of the Nation. This is an art project like we did it in 2014 where we walked 500 kilometers along the path of Mahatma Gandhi from Ahmedabad to Dandi. Similar to 2016 project Walk Along the River where we walked 100 kilometers along one of the most polluted river in the world called Kuam to highlight the importance of protecting and respecting freshwater ecosystem. This time again on the road. This journey is to break the wall of the divide which has been created by the recent parliamentary elections in India. We are with a mission to travel 6,500 kilometers from the tricolored, beautiful Kanyakumari to reach a mighty expanse of Himalayas in Kargil, touching numerous villages, hundreds of towns, tens of cities and megalopolis, crossing diverse landscape, seashores, pastoral agriculture areas, parched wastelands, plains, valley, forests, mountains and deserts. We also cross flowers, trees, wildlife, people, climate and geography in India and travel entire landscape, the great nation called the India.
Hi, my name is Enid Maria. I'm part of this project, a Portrait of a Nation, where we will facilitate the production of collaborative portraits wherever we go, involving everyone who wants to participate in the community. The ancient cultural mosaic of India will become our palette for this unique socio-artistic experiment.
Hi, this is Srinivas. It is an ambitious journey to create around 400 paintings as representatives of a nation, many different voices meeting on the same canvas. We believe our intention is to bring about a positive well-being with creating a one-of-its-kind archive of art by the people.